Students, I am Bharati Shinde, working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see how to draw isometric projection for these given views. This is front view and this is top view. So let us start drawing. For this, first draw a horizontal line. Take any point O on this line, and from this O point take 30-degree angle on both sides. And draw line passing through the points. Now this is front view, so give arrow here. So for front view, total length is given as this 30 plus 30 plus 15 plus 15, that is 90, and total height is 70. So measure 90 distance from this point is up to this, and draw a vertical line from this point and take distance 70 on this line. Now complete the rectangle. So this rectangle for front view we have completed. For top view, length remains same and width is this distance. So radius 30 means diameter 60. So we have to take 60 distance on this side. So measure 60 on this line and take parallel line to this line I will take from this side and draw a line from this point and from this point also. Now measure distance. We have measured this 60 distance, so draw a line from this point and complete the rectangle by drawing line parallel to this line, and in this way first we have only completed rectangles. Now we start actual drawing. For this 70 height is given and this line will be like this. This portion is below 16 from top line. this is inclined portion, then there is a horizontal line, and for this distance, for this portion there is a circular portion in top view. So we will draw this portion, then measure 16 distance on this line from top and take its projections now. This distance is 30, so measure 30 on this line, so we will get this point. Now join these 2 points. So this is our required portion. Now this 20 distance given from bottom, so measure 20 from bottom and take parallel line to this line and draw a line. Now I will draw this line like this. So this portion we have completed. Now we have to complete this top view. So for top view, on this line this portion is given, so from this point this total distance is 60, and the portion, this middle portion is having 40 distance and this center portion is having 20 distance. This total portion is having 40, 20. So first I will draw this line and its center point is 3, that is 30. So leave space 10 on this side and 10 on this side, so 20 and 40, and draw the line like this. From this line take parallel line from this point, because in front view there is a slanted portion, so draw this slanted portion from this point also up to this line. Now for drawing this portion, measure this 15 and 15 distance on this line. So 15 here and next 15 here. From this 15, draw a vertical line parallel to this line. Now draw a line parallel to this line from this point. Now this total distance as we know is 60. On this line leave 10 from this side and 10 from this side. So this is 10 and this is 10 on both the sides, and I will join these lines like this. This is 20, middle 20 portion, and I will join the lines like this. We have completed this portion. Now we will complete this line and this line. So for this, take parallel line to this line from this point and parallel line to this line from this point. And in this way, this portion we have completed. Now we will draw remaining portion. For this remaining portion, as we know, there is a semicircle on this side. So for this, take this 30 distance from here. So I will measure 30 distance. On this side and take parallel line to this line from this point also. If there is a confusion, then you can rub these lines. Take parallel line to this line from this point and measure 30 distance, which is up to this point, and draw a straight line up to 30 distance. Now we have to draw a semicircle and a complete circle, that is this complete circle and semicircle. For this, first draw center line. So we will draw these lines as center line. And this total distance is 60. So take its center point as 30. And draw a center line from this point. So this is our center point. First we will draw this outer semicircle, and radius for this circle is 30. For this we will take 60 diameter as already we have drawn. For semicircle, and I will complete this rectangle, that is 60 by 60. So this rectangle I have completed. Now this point, this point, this point and this point are the corner points of a square. Now this is the longest diagonal. So I have drawn the longest diagonal, and this is shortest diagonal. So draw a line from shortest diagonal points, that is this point and this point. So draw a line from shortest diagonal point on midpoint of this line, and from this point on midpoint of this line, as these 2 points we got on this longest diagonal. Now take this point as center point, and this is the radius, and draw a semicircle. Now this one center point we have taken. Now second center point is this point, that is shortest diagonal point, and take this is radius and draw a semicircle like this. So this is the semicircle by 4 center method. Now by taking this point as center and this point as center, we have drawn semicircle. For drawing same semicircle at 20 distance below, take 20 distance from all the points parallel to this vertical line. So measure 20 from here, then from this center point, then from this center point, and from this point. Now we will measure 20 on this line. So this 20 point will appear here because it is the center point. So center point for second semicircle will be 20 distance below that point. Then this is also center point, so 20 distance below that point, that is this point. So take center point, this point, and draw a semicircle up to this line, Then from this center point we have taken this distance as radius. So take same distance and change center point and draw a semicircle, and which is up to this point. And in this way we have completed semicircular portion by offset method. Now this is the 30 distance, and now this line we have completed. Join this line by taking vertical line, and in this way semicircular portion we have completed. For drawing this circle having diameter 30, take this point as center point. I will draw these extra points. This is the center point, and draw a square having 30 diameter. So measure 15 on this side and 15 on this side. And draw a square having 15 distance. Now measure 15 on opposite side. So 15 on here and 15 here. Now join all the points, and in this way we have completed a square for this 30 diameter circle. Now this is the longest diagonal, so draw it first. So this is the longest diagonal, and as we know the center points, draw lines from shortest diagonal points on midpoint of opposite side. In this way, two center points on diagonal we have got. Then I will join these. And take this center point and join these 2 points. Now take centers as shortest diagonals and join these points. And in this way we have completed this circle, and it will look as a ellipse. Now we have completed the total diagram. Now we will give dimension to each part. So this is 20 distance. So write 20 then this 15 and 15 distance. Fifteen. Then this total height is 70. So write 70. Then this distance is 30. This height is 16 as given here. Then this distance is 20. Then this outer circle is having radius 30. So I will write here R30 and give arrow. Then this circle having diameter 30, that is this is ellipse. So I will give it on this side. It is having 530. Like this, almost we have completed all the dimensions. Now this 40 is remaining. I will show it on this side. This is 40. So in this way we have completed this diagram and its all the dimensions.